equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor and filters in your Dyson DC08 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson DC08 from the power source to ensure safety. Begin by removing the dust canister. Press the release button and lift it off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. With the cover removed, you will see the motor and the filters. Take a moment to inspect the filters. If they are dirty or clogged, it's time to replace them. To remove the motor, locate the screws securing it in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if needed. After removing the screws, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Be cautious as there may be some dust buildup. Use your soft cloth to clean the area around the motor. This is a great opportunity to ensure your vacuum is in top condition. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's fitted snugly to avoid any issues later on. Next, take your new filters and install them in their designated slots. Ensure they are seated properly to maintain optimal performance. Once everything is in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press it into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure it with the screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson DC08 back in. Turn it on to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor and filters in your Dyson DC08. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your vacuum and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.